We believe in an extraordinary future, where the Earth will be a more comfortable place for all, and people will enjoy happier, more vibrant lives. So we ask ourselves, how can we best contribute? KAITEKI. We lead with innovative solutions to achieve KAITEKI, the well-being of people and the planet. More than our work, this is our commitment. Always undertaking great challenges and striving for breakthrough solutions. This is what makes our company unique. Expanding freedom of movement while reducing environmental burden. Working to create a more connected and united world. Striving to support people's everyday lives and a sustainable future on Earth. Spreading hope for the future through better health. Our competitive edge is science. With leading-edge technology, we achieve innovative solutions. Our enduring commitment is to produce value for people and for society. We do everything in our power to make life better for our society and our planet. From the power of science comes value that contributes to life. We're already moving further ahead on this path. Yet our journey never ends. To realize an abundant future beyond imagination. Together as one. Science, value, life. Mitsubishi Chemical Group.